Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to download and install the Voicemod voice changer on your computer. So let's get started. Now guys, in the first step, open up your Google Chrome browser and enter in the search bar here Voicemod or something like Voicemod voice changer, and select that entry from that list below, Voicemod free real-time voice changer for PC and Mac. Click on it. Now you can download Voicemod on your computer free of charge by clicking on that button here on their homepage. Now guys, to gain access to the installation launcher, they will ask you to sign up for a free account using, for instance, your Discord, your Twitch or your Google account, or alternately a valid and verified email address here. For demonstration purposes, I will log in with my Google account, and logging in with your account will automatically prompt the download of the installation launcher. There you have it. So in the next step guys, head over to your output folder and start the installation launcher. Select your language here, click on OK, and after that simply follow these instructions to install Voicemod on your computer. Click on next here, agree to terms and conditions, choose an installation folder, and on the next page select whether you'd like to add shortcuts like a desktop shortcut or a quick launch shortcut. Click on next and then on this install button here. And yeah, simply wait for the launcher to install Voicemod on your computer. That may take a moment. Also guys, at the end of the installation, Voicemod will or may run a couple of audio tests in the background to check the quality and the settings of your computer's audio. So don't get scared guys if you, for example, don't hear anything, any sound through your headphones, for example, or through your boxes. That's totally normal, and after a couple of seconds the installation will be finished, so that you may launch Voicemod on your computer by selecting that option here and by clicking on finish here in the bottom right corner. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.